Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to make a card using the Box of the Month for June, Mermaid and Friends. So we're going to make a great slimline card using ephemera from the kit. So this is really fun because you can kind of put the card together really quickly. You don't have to color anything in, but it looks like you did. I think we're down to 5 or 6 kits left. So if you're on the fence, go ahead and grab it now before they are sold out, because once they're gone, they are going to be gone. So I made my own background with dies from my stash, stackable circles in different sizes. They kind of look like bubbles when they're all stacked up like that. And I used the beautiful papers from the kit, the Slimline paper pad. I used a pink and main Slimline die to get that little scalloped edged frame around my card there. Okay, so what I want to do now is take off the backing so we have our images popped up and complete the card. I have some sequins to top it off at the end. This one I'm going to keep flat down and have this one popped up over it. I also want to stamp some bubbles in these two areas and then put some glossy accents on there. I think that would look super cool. So I'm just going to take some black. I'll use my VersaFine Clear. Just going to stamp that with a stamp block. Of course, I want to practice on a piece of scratch paper first. And then I will get brave enough to do this without my MISTI. So let's line that up. So I'm going to put the bubbles like right here. Go straight down and straight up. So there's several different bubbles in the set, so I'm going to use different ones. So this one's a little bit smaller. I think it will go great right here. So let's pick that up. I'm going to do this more in the middle of my block. Get more of an even pressure that way. That's much better. And then another one here. I'll let that dry a little bit and then we'll add some glossy accents. I'm just going to add the glossy accents on top, but let's do that at the end so I don't smear anything. Let's add our little characters. Okay, I'm going to add her to the bottom. Make sure I'm not covering up the sentiment. I'm going to put her on the side a little bit. And her tail is going to be hanging off just a little bit there. Don't want to cover the G. Okay, there we go. We've got the little fish here. And then she goes up here. We're going to have this little fish in between these two. Okay, I'm happy with that. Let's see, I think I want a little bit of blue in the bubbles. Just a hint of blue. Let me start off with a lighter blue. Well, let's do the sequence first because I don't want to get my hand in there. I always do that. I put that sequence upside down. So this pretty much completes my card. I'm going to add the glossy accents. I'll have some photos at the end so you can check out the card and 2 other cards that I created with the same kit. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you next time.